Hi, this is David Levere with Student Affairs IT, and today we're going to look at the block editor in WordPress. The new block editor, Gutenberg, treats each piece of content as its own unique block. A block can be a paragraph of text, a bullet item, an ordered list, a subhead or heading, a quote. You can even put columns of text, tables, images, galleries, and much, much more. We'll start with copying this column of text in this list and creating a new page to show you how it works. I'll give my page a title, and I'll just paste what was in there before. One thing the block editor does really well is to convert text pasted from Word or web pages so that you can go from your word processor to a web page in seconds. Now that I've pasted this, you can see that this bar appears upon the top. This tells us what type of block it is, and I could change it to a different type if I wanted to. I can move it up or down on the page. I can also use this drag block icon to move it back and forth. And I can choose which type of list it is in this case. Add bolds and italics, etc. On this paragraph, you notice that you can change the alignment of the text also. You can go left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. And you can add bolds, italics, or links. When you use the link tool, it defaults to a lookup of content that's already in the site. I'm going to start with a page that already exists and just click on that and I have my link. Now I'll add one of the other block types. I'm going to go for an image and I'll choose from my media library. And there's nothing really more I need to do here. We don't like to use the rounded style just so that it stays consistent with the rest of the website, but we can change the size of the image to a smaller size or a square size or even a smaller square. I'm going to stick with the 800 by 450, which is a nice size. And I will make it left aligned so that it's more consistent with the styles on the web page. Now I'm going to choose Publish. Before I publish the page, I'm going to change the page type to Interior so that it looks consistent with the rest of our pages. And I am also going to add a featured image. I'll use the same one that was in the text. Now I'll publish the page and have a look at it. And there we go. This has been a quick overview of the block editor in WordPress. There will be more advanced training materials for you in the website training materials site on the Student Affairs website. Thank you so much.